Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tech enthusiasts of all ages, welcome to today's exciting YouTube unboxing video. I'm thrilled to be here with you today to unveil one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year, the Samsung S23 Ultra. As we dive into this unboxing experience, let me tell you, Samsung has truly outdone themselves with this masterpiece of technology. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge features, the Samsung S23 Ultra is here to redefine what we can expect from a smartphone. Alright, let's waste no time and dive straight into unboxing this beauty. As we open the pristine packaging, we are greeted with the sleek and stunning Samsung S23 Ultra shimmering under the lights. The first thing you'll notice is the large and vibrant display stretching from edge to edge, providing an immersive visual experience like no other. This 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display boasts a mind-blowing resolution, rendering every image and video with stunning clarity and vivid colors. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies or playing graphics-intensive games, the Samsung S23 Ultra's display will transport you to a whole new world of visual delight. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, which is undoubtedly one of the standout features of the Samsung S23 Ultra. On the rear, you'll find a powerful quad camera system led by a whopping 108-megapixel primary sensor. This means that every photo you capture will be packed with an incredible level of detail and sharpness. But wait, there's more. The Samsung S23 Ultra takes zoom capabilities to a whole new level. With its periscope lens, this smartphone offers an astonishing 100x space zoom, allowing you to get up close and personal with the tiniest of details, even from a distance. Say goodbye to blurry long-range shots, as this phone makes every zoomed-in capture a masterpiece. Under the hood, the Samsung S23 Ultra is powered by the latest and greatest processing technology, ensuring battery-smooth performance and lightning-fast responsiveness. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos on the go, this smartphone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Worried about running out of juice? Fear not. The Samsung S23 Ultra packs a massive battery that will keep you powered throughout the day and beyond. And when it's time to refuel, you'll be delighted to know that it supports super fast charging, getting you back in action in no time. Let's not forget about the software experience. Samsung's One UI provides a clean and intuitive interface, ensuring a seamless user experience. With its thoughtful design choices and helpful features, you'll find yourself effortlessly navigating through your phone, making the most of all its incredible capabilities. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the unboxing experience of the sensational Samsung S23 Ultra. This smartphone combines exquisite design, jaw-dropping features, and top-of-the-line performance, making it a true game-changer in the world of technology. So, if you're on the lookout for a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of innovation and sets new standards, the Samsung S23 Ultra is definitely the one for you. Don't miss out on being a part of the future. Get your hands on the Samsung S23 Ultra today. Thank you all for joining me in this unboxing journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting tech content. Until next, the Samsung S23 Ultra is set to change the cell phone industry forever. Kindly subscribe to our channel. We should explore more hidden features of the Samsung S23 Ultra. This gadget flaunts a dazzling 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED show, offering a vivid review insight with energetic tones, sharp subtleties, and genuine blacks. The presentation is safeguarded by the most recent Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, guaranteeing solidness and protecting against scratches and coincidental drops. The Samsung S23 Ultra is fueled by the most developed processor accessible, conveying lightning-quick rates and unparalleled execution. Its octa-center processor, joined with an adequate measure of SLAM, guarantees smooth performing multiple tasks and consistent application execution. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running requesting applications, the S23 Ultra will deal with everything effortlessly. This gadget includes a momentous quad camera arrangement intended to catch proficient quality photographs and recordings. The primary camera brags a noteworthy 108-megapixel sensor, empowering you to catch dazzling subtleties and energetic varieties. Furthermore, the S23 Ultra offers a periscope zooming focal point, considering a staggering 10x optical zoom, carrying you nearer to your subject with practically no misfortune in quality. Whether you're catching scenes, pictures, or even astrophotography, the S23 Ultra's camera framework will surpass your assumptions. We should continue on toward the unpacking items in the Samsung S23 Ultra. At the point when you open the crate, you will find the cell phone itself carefully enclosed by a defensive cover. Close by the gadget, Samsung incorporates a quick charger, empowering you to rapidly drive up your gadget and return to involving it in a matter of moments. Moreover, you'll find a couple of excellent wired headphones, guaranteeing you can partake in your #1 music and media with extraordinary sound quality. Furthermore, obviously, the container additionally incorporates the essential documentation like the client manual and guarantee data. The Samsung S23 Ultra is a genuine lead gadget that pushes the limits of cell phone innovation. With its dazzling showcase, strong execution, remarkable camera framework, and liberal stockpiling choices, it sets another norm for what a cell phone can offer. Whether you're a photography devotee, a power client, or just somebody who values the best innovation brings to the table, the Samsung S23 Ultra is the ideally for you. Unquestionably. The following are 15 extra key highlights of the Samsung S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra is furnished with 5G capacity, taking into account lightning-quick download and transfer speeds, consistent streaming, and slag-free internet gaming. The gadget includes a high-level in-show unique mark scanner, giving helpful and secure admittance to your telephone with a tiny bit of your finger. The S23 Ultra accompanies S Pen support, permitting you to release your imagination and efficiency with exact penmanship, drawing, and note-taking capacities. IP68 water and residue abstraction. With an IP68 rating, the S23 Ultra is impervious to water and residue, guaranteeing solidness and true serenity even in testing conditions. The Samsung S23 Ultra gives an exhaustive and forefront cell phone experience that takes care of the requirements of tech lovers, experts, and efficient battery limit, guaranteeing an entire day use without the requirement for continuous re-energizing. Moreover, it upholds quick charging and remote charging for added comfort. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest in tech and gadgets.